Hey Candies, Assalamu Alaikum. We welcome you back to Curious Candies. As I promised earlier, this video is about Khobar Mall Part 2 vlog. This part of Khobar Mall can be accessed from the basement parking, where we are welcomed by the sizzling sound of the waterfalls. Khobar Mall is famous for many things. One of the main things is it is famous for its branded outlets. Here we came to Crocs outlet. Next to Crocs outlet, there is Femi outlet, where they have really adorable dresses at lowest prices. Their dresses are captivating with pleasant colors and trendy models. The prices may vary from 30 Riyal to 100 Riyal depending upon the dresses. The maximum price here is 100 Riyal. This red skirt looks beautiful and the price of this is just 30 Riyal. It was available in green color too. This maxi dress looks so adorable in pastel blue, priced 100 Riyal. They also had accessories such as necklaces, earrings and belts, which was priced 20 Riyal max. Outlet sells products in much lower price compared to the regular price. They had a variety of formal and casual dresses for women. This cherry blossom maxi dress impressed me a lot. We were bombarded with a surprise by these two sisters who were walking ahead of us.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What's name?
Curious Candies. Curious Candies.
Curious
Candies.
They are of Arab origin and they came forward to subscribe our channel without any plea from us. That was indeed a nice gesture. We felt the warmth of the heart. Now we have come to Splash Outlet where they offer good deals starting from 10 Riyal. The same dresses when bought in regular stores is priced triple times. Our toddler chose these British shoes for herself. How is it? And we chose these slippers too. All these items are 20 Riyals each. Do you think it's a fair deal? And this top was 30 Riyal. After having a satisfied shopping for much lower prices, we winded up. There are 63% people who are watching Curious Candies without subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you found this channel useful. There are more outlets in this mall to explore. We will bring it in our next video. Before that, let me show you this shop where they sell silver and gold plated accessories. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and relatives. Sharing is caring. With a good note, see you in our next video. Until then, it's bye from Curious Mommy and
Curious Candies.